Today, I'm gonna show you how to make my helicopter system in Trailmakers. Let's get to work. You don't need to build it exactly like mine. You can use as many thrusters as you like or need. This speed sensor will be for the hover system. Set the speed to 0 and route it into all the thrusters. Add your seat. Get a rotating servo. And set the strength to 0. Get a stackable helicopter engine. And remove all the inputs. The speed is up to you. Get a distance sensor. Route it into the helicopter engine. Turn on invert trigger, I forgot. And set the distance as 1. Now we will make the blade. Make the blade any size you want. Add your gyro stabilizers and set the strength as you like. Add them both ways. It should now go only up and hover. Get a gyro. Set the strength to how far you want it to lean. Make the inputs up and down. Add another gyro for steering. Don't cover up the distance sensor. Set the strength as you like. Add gimbal jets. Make the power -1. Add as many as you need. Now it should work perfectly fine. Get to thrusters and remove the input. Add a speed sensor facing forwards. Set the speed to 0. Route it into the 2 thrusters. Add another to thrusters facing the opposite way. Add another speed sensor facing backwards. Set the speed to 0 and route it to the back thrusters. Make sure the thrusters have no input. Get another speed sensor and face it to the left. Set the speed to 0. Get another to thrusters and face them to the left. Route the speed sensor to the 2 thrusters. Remove the input. Do the same thing on the other side. It is complete. Let me know if you have any problems in the comments. Make it into anything you want. Thanks for watching.